back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In this episode, we got a surprise waiting for us at the door when we got home. Hello Fresh.
I made a little bit of a mistake. I had our subscription set on pause for a couple of weeks, and I missed the cutoff to extend the pause period. And we got a box full of food that we didn't pick out.
So if you didn't watch our previous HelloFresh review, we'll link that right here. But if you did, you know how much we really enjoyed the menu options, the flavor, pretty much everything about HelloFresh.
The ease of preparation.
Because we've had a really busy schedule lately, we just haven't been in the house enough to make it make sense to order this on a recurring basis. So Terry was pushing back our subscription, so these boxes didn't show up.
Yeah.
Well, we got a little carried away shooting videos, and we got this box. And like she mentioned, we didn't get to pick out the flavors.
So
I don't even know what's in the box.
So there is a cutoff date that you can change what meals are coming. And if you miss that date, well, they just give you 5 random meals.
So what are these 5 random meals?
So we got fully loaded pork taquitos,
Tuscan pork sausage and pepper spaghetti.
Firecracker meatballs.
Sounds pretty good. Tex-Mex turkey stuffed green peppers.
And crispy buffalo spice chicken.
That's the one I'm probably least
Excited about.
I don't like
Same.
buffalo flavor, but
Keep an open mind.
to be determined. Let's see if a completely random HelloFresh box can be worth it. Like before, we're gonna get a workout in. I gotta run some errands. Terry will be doing
Most of the cooking.
all of the cooking. I'll just be here for the tasting.
And just like last time, I'm gonna probably make 2 at a time so we can have leftovers for lunch. That seemed to work out pretty well. The first meal that we're cooking is gonna be Tex-Mex turkey stuffed green peppers, and the other one is fully loaded pork taquitos. So if you don't know anything about HelloFresh, I'll just run through it real fast. Or you can also check out our first HelloFresh video for more details. So HelloFresh is a meal delivery kit. It comes right to your house. You can go online and pick your meals and how often you'd like to receive a box. All the fresh ingredients come packaged in these little paper bags for each of your meals. And then the meat comes packaged separately in between ice, so it stays nice and cold. If you ever have any issues with your box, you can contact HelloFresh. They've been very helpful. We once got some food that was not cold and they issued a credit for it. They send instruction cards like these on how to prepare each dish. Get your card, pull out your ingredients, and start cooking. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get into it.
Right on schedule as always. Looks like you had a heck of a cooking day.
The box that we had before, making 2 at once, was a lot easier because they were more of like a sheet pan meal. You just kind of set it and forget it. These you're actively cooking the whole time. So
Okay.
wouldn't recommend doing 2 at the same time, but they look good. So
Yeah, they actually look just like the picture.
let's start with the Tex-Mex turkey stuffed green peppers.
All right. This one has smoky red pepper crema and pickled red onions. I've been really surprised at how good the meat is. This turkey is really great. That green pepper is really good. It's charred.
Yep.
The rice is really awesome.
The peppers, you rub oil on them, salt and pepper, and then bake them in the oven for a few minutes before you stuff them. And again, I pickled the onions myself.
Mmm. Those onions really set it off. This is really good.
It's supposed to take 10 minutes to prep, 35 to cook. I would say that's pretty accurate.
All right, let's go to the next one. These are loaded taquitos. You made the stuffing, rolled them, and fried them?
You bake them.
All right, we're going for it. Cheers. Oh, she went straight to the dome.
Oh, hot.
That's pretty good, too. What's the serving size, 3?
I believe so.
I could probably eat 16 of these.
When I was making it, I thought it could really use like a side dish.
Mm-hmm.
But if you ate 3 of them, you probably would be full.
Probably. I would almost eat this as an appetizer for the other one.
Uh-huh.
But I'm also kind of a fat kid. You want to try some Cholula?
Sure, why not?
As a standalone meal, I don't know if I would be fully satisfied with 3 of those. I mean, I just ate half of one. It probably is the right amount of food. I think you would have to augment with a side salad for this one.
I agree.
Or use this as an appetizer for a different meal. But the flavor is great.
Yeah.
Is it turkey also? No, it's pork.
I'm sure it would fill you up, but I agree. I would like a little something on the
different,
side.
yeah.
That Cholula is hot, by the way.
No, it's not.
I don't.
She's pretending.
I don't eat spicy stuff.
But Cholula is more of a flavor enhancer than anything else.
That's what he says.
Mm-hmm. Those are really good. And for them to be baked and not fried, flavor-wise, great. Ingredients-wise, really good. Meat quality, vegetable, all the sauces.
Yep. And everything was fresh this time.
Oh, good.
So.
Good. The meat didn't come warmer than it should.
Nope. It was actually very cold.
Okay.
But the vegetables were very, very fresh this time.
I'm loving this. Really loving this. All right, cool. Well, that's day 1 in the books. Do you have anything else?
I think we got 2 winners
We'll see you tomorrow.
for some more meals.
I guess I'll do the dishes.
All right, I'm back. We're gonna wrap up this HelloFresh box and have a bunch of dinners and lunches and leftovers.
On schedule again.
You got a whole buffet of food to try today.
This is a smorgasbord. What do you got here?
Well, first we have the Tuscan pork sausage and pepper spaghetti,
Okay.
which is turkey sausage, spaghetti, peppers, and onions.
Was that hard to
Tomato
cook
sauce.
or pretty easy?
This one was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. It looks good. It looks just like the picture.
Yep.
And I'm excited about this next one.
The Firecracker meatballs.
Yes. And then the one that I'm least excited about.
Crispy buffalo spice chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
But it does look good. Looks just like the picture.
Yep.
So, I don't know. You want to just jump right into it?
Yeah.
Let's go with the Tuscan pork sausage, pepper, and spaghetti.
A little messy to eat on camera, but we'll do our best, right? It could use a little more flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
It's a little bland,
a little bit.
but I do like the spaghetti noodles.
Mm-hmm.
They're like,
They're thick. Mm-hmm. They have a good bite.
yeah,
I feel like high quality noodles.
they're from Italy.
Mmm.
Yeah, straight from.
The boot.
Yeah. But yeah, I feel like it could use a little more flavor.
Yeah. I think that one is definitely lackluster.
It's got a little heat, not a whole lot of flavor.
Yeah. I'd pass on that one. Firecracker meatball. Start with the green bean. Give that to test.
Yeah.
Those are good.
Salt, pepper,
Mm-hmm.
olive oil.
Simple, clean, fresh.
Mm-hmm. Just roast them in the oven.
Yeah. Those are really good green beans. Mm-hmm. There's ginger in there too.
Uh-huh. It's just beef, ginger, scallion, panko breadcrumbs.
Okay.
And soy sauce.
It's really good.
I think that's all that was in there.
I'm still so impressed by the meat
meat
quality. Mm-hmm. The rice, though.
Yeah.
I know rice. Growing up in a Filipino family, rice is a staple. 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 meals a day have rice. This is not that kind of rice. The rice is struggling.
So, every box that we've had that has had rice, it tells you how much water to put. It's never enough water.
Well, you got to use your rice finger.
I know.
If you know about the rice finger, comment below. The rice finger was not used in this rice.
It was not.
Green beans, on point. Meatballs, next level. Rice, whack.
Next meal, the one that we've been dreading, crispy buffalo spice chicken.
Buffalo's not really a flavor either one of us like or
Yeah.
go for. I actually avoid it at all costs. Too vinegary, too offensive.
Carrots aren't bad.
It's good carrot. That doesn't have buffalo in it.
I had to actually peel and cut the carrots like
Those
a grown
carrots
up.
are delicious. That's a good carrot. Okay.
There was a spice on it. I can't remember
Yeah.
what it's called that I had to put on it.
Fry seasoning?
Fry seasoning.
Good seasoning.
This was in one of the other recipes that we had previously.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in it, but it's good.
That's really good seasoning. Those carrots, all day. Let's try this mashed potato. Were these fresh potatoes?
Yes. And they just had you cook them and then squish them in a pan.
They're
But
simple. Could you use a little salt and pepper? Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going in for it. Crispy buffalo spiced chicken.
the sauce on top is a blue cheese sour cream mix. I don't like blue cheese.
Ooh.
So I don't know. I just put a little bit on there because I wanted it to look like the picture.
I don't like blue cheese or buffalo. Let's give it a whirl.
Oh no.
Blue cheese tastes like poison. Mm-hmm. No, thank you. The chicken's dry. That could be your fault. But the flavors, that's all their fault. Ugh.
Yeah. But chicken's not horribly dry.
That's what she says.
But it's chicken breast, so
The flavors are just buffalo and blue cheese. All the things I hate. Carrots, potatoes, heck yes. Chicken, get that out of here. Get that out of here. Just stop with the buffalo. Everything doesn't need to be hot this, hot that, buffalo this, buffalo that.
yeah.
HelloFresh, if you're going to send out a random box to unexpected people, don't put something offensive like this. Do something neutral.
Keep it bland.
I could even get with the spaghetti. This buffalo? No. But if you like buffalo and you like blue cheese, this is probably your jam.
Yeah, you probably really like that.
We are not those people.
3.5 plates out of 5.
I agree. One of them is a complete throwaway. Thanks for watching, and join us next time when we do something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.